What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your tie rod ends on your Mustang. Now I'm at the store right now. I just picked up the tie rod end and I'm going to show you what my tie rod end looks like because it's in pretty bad shape, and I kind of have an idea on why it got this way and I'm kind of pissed off about it, but that's okay because we're going to replace it right now. I'm going to do it in my driveway with simple hand tools. It shouldn't be too hard, so yeah. So I got my car jacked up in the air. Got my tools laid out right here. I bought that brand new, Harbor Freight, 150 bucks, so that was cool. I'm like, oh, gotta get that. Got my little tool kit, sockets, torque wrench. I'm gonna show you guys how to place your outer tie rods. Before I do that, I want to change these junky Carter pins to a different style pin, because these ones are like really tough to pull out, and I mean, yeah, they hold your hood down, but they look kind of goofy, I think, and I just want to change them out with these, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. now that I put the tie rod end on, I need to take the car for a little bit of a drive so I can kind of do like a little eyeball alignment until I can get up on alignment rack to really get it dialed in. But for right now, the wheel does look straight, but I don't know what the position of the wheel is actually at. So I'm gonna take it for a drive. I brought a little wrench with me, and I brought a little 13 and stuff, so I can adjust it as I'm going. So I'm gonna take it for a spin, see where it's at, and then I'll adjust it from there. As you can see, I actually got it pretty darn close. If anything, that's probably perfect. So I'm gonna go a little bit up to speed here, and then I'm gonna see where it's at. So it's pretty close to perfect. If I keep the wheel straight, it has a slight pull to the right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna point that wheel a little bit more out that way, and let's see where it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna hop out and give it a quick adjustment. All right, well, the wheel is perfectly straight. I can drive it straight. I mean, it does look pretty darn straight on the car too, but I'm still gonna get it on an alignment rack to really check it out. But so far, so good. I also fixed my hood pins. The other ones were too tough and I couldn't slide them on and off easily. So I adjusted the actual pin upwards a little bit, and I put a different style pin on there. So now I can actually take it off with ease. So yeah, I mean, pretty good. So far, so good, not too bad. I'm gonna give her a wash, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna make some more videos on the Mustang. Take care. See you next time.